Get access to all the latest Twiddler features and fixes by upgrading your firmware. Let's check it out. Identify which firmware is currently running on your Twiddler. Open a Notepad app and press the Print Status chord on your Twiddler. This chord will output lots of information about your Twiddler. The current firmware version you're using is shown after the VER equals string. If you are running an earlier version of the firmware, we recommend upgrading. Go to mytwiddler.com/firmware to download the latest version. Unzip the file and rename the enclosed bin file to twiddler.bin. Put your Twiddler to sleep by pressing the sleep chord. Wake up your Twiddler by pressing the Enter bootloader chord. The left LED will be blinking twice per second to indicate the Twiddler is in the correct mode. Connect the Twiddler to the host via USB. The left LED should change to solid green while blinking off once per second. Copy the twiddler.bin file you just downloaded into the Twiddler's root folder. Wait a few seconds to make sure the file is completely copied over and safely eject the USB cable to disconnect your Twiddler from the host. The upgrade procedure will begin. 3 green LEDs will be rapidly blinking while the firmware is being upgraded. When the upgrade has been completed, the left LED will blink white once and the Twiddler will go to sleep. And that's it! Your Twiddler is now updated and ready to go.